All right, guys, so we are going to be on the road at the end of this summer, fall, and sort of end of the winter there. So we've got several event dates to announce here. We'll put all the information for them in the description of the video as well, along with any links that you will need to get further info on them. Anyway, got the first one here.
That first one is going to be the Mayberry Market event at Walnut Hills Farm. That is over there on 9085 Adams Road in Dayton, Ohio. That's coming up here shortly, actually, September 6th and 7th. For the 6th, the time on that is 5 to 8. And they do have an hour early admission with the VIP tickets, which I believe may be sold out at this point.
They're getting close.
They're getting close. That VIP ticket does get you some perks. Bag with some different merchandise from the vendors, as well as the free re-entry on Saturday, the 7th, which that goes from 10 to 4 on Saturday. So, but there's going to be a lot of stuff out there to check out. Make sure to check that one out.
Yeah, and this will be our first time at that event. This next one, this will be our second time doing this event. It is the Enon Apple Butter Festival. It's not really an address exactly for that. It's just in the central Enon, Ohio area. Enon's a really small little village, so if you go there, you'll find it. But the dates for that are October 12th and 13th. It's a Saturday and Sunday. The Saturday is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday is 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's food vendors, all sorts of stuff there. It's free to get into, but yeah, that one is an outdoor event as well. I don't know, you mentioned that on the first one, I believe.
I did mention that on the first one, I forgot.
Oh, well. Both the first one that Tom just announced and the Enon Apple Butter Festival, both of those are outdoor events. So, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully this year Apple Butter Festival is not cold and rainy like it was last year.
Last year it was a bit cold and rainy.
Last year was chilly. The next one we've got coming up is also by Mayberry Market. It is their Holly Jolly Holiday Market, and that is first weekend in November, Friday, Saturday, November 1st and November 2nd. Same deal with that. Friday night is a little bit different hours, 5 to 9, but you also do have the early admission for the VIP ticket holders. And same perks. It's not going to be the same stuff in the back, I'm assuming, but same perks for that one. And same time Saturday, 10 to 4. And this one is at the Auglaize Co Fairgrounds in Wapakoneta, Ohio. And America never pronounced that one right.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny. I give her a hard time about it every time we drive past there going up to her parents. Anyway, so that is located at 1001 Fairview Drive in Wapakoneta, Ohio. That will be an indoor event. They're using a couple of the buildings out there for that, and they've got lots of room, lots of folks out there. So that's the first one for us. We did their spring one, but this is going to be the first time doing this particular one.
Yeah. This one's indoor.
Indoor, yep. We also have in November, we got it 3 November actually. The following weekend, Saturday, November 9th, another indoor event, the Northwestern Band Boosters Craft Show. That is for Northwestern High School, I think. Let's see that's through. Anyway, that is Saturday only, 10 to 4. I haven't personally been to this one before, but I know several people who have as vendors, and it is busy.
Heard good things.
Heard really good things about that one. not Cindy, Vicky up at Nivrox. She sets up out there, and she said it's always real good. So that one is located at the high school at 5780 Troy Road in Springfield, Ohio. So that one's a short drive for us.
Yeah.
So, shortest drive so far. So that will be a first time event for us. And
then this last one here, this is a repeat event. This is the Champaign County Holiday Bazaar. It is one day as well. Also an indoor event. November 30th, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's at the Champaign County Fairgrounds. And the address on that is 384 Park Avenue in Urbana, Ohio.
And that's actually the shortest drive for me because it's like
3
minutes from my house. So it is pretty awesome that it is that close. Did you already give the times on that?
I did. Yeah, I said the time. 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yep.
And that one, that is a repeat, and it did pretty good for us last year.
Yeah.
Better than the other two that we did last year. First one was kind of just, that was a mistake. And then the second one, just the weather was horrible and nobody was out there. So do have a couple that potentially be looking at doing in December. Don't have a definite on that, but we are interested in that. There's another one in Urbana, holiday craft show, whatever. And then there's also one back up in Wapakoneta. We had originally looked at this one at the beginning of the year and passed on it, and I don't know. We may revisit that one, so we'll see. If we do those, we'll get you a video on that as well. So in the meantime, we are staying busy. So.
Yeah. Like I said, I'll put all the information for these as well down in the description of this video, along with any links that you would need for tickets or whatever. Did we mention the Holly Jolly one? That's also, they got to get tickets for that, right?
Oh yeah, I didn't mention the tickets on that. So all the Mayberry Market events, you would need a ticket for. The VIP tickets are the only ones that are really worth paying ahead of time for. Everything else you can purchase as admission at the door.
Yeah.
If you're interested in a VIP ticket, we will have that link for those events below. But otherwise, just show up to the door and pay for the ticket there. So, yep.
All right. Well, that wraps this up. We'll see everyone out there.